Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are out in Spanish Town and we're giving you a tour of the MGS Technology Park. This is a massive development out in Spanish Town. It cost $8 billion and it created 440,000 square feet of space. So we're going to go through an article that gives more information on this facility. The MGS Industrial and Technology Park, popularly referred to as the MIA Tech Park, represents one of the most transformative redevelopment projects in Jamaica's modern economic landscape. Located on the historic site of the former Aguabao textile mill, in Angel, Spanish Town, St. Catherine, this initiative demonstrates how strategic, private investment, and government collaboration can breathe new life into underutilized assets, creating opportunities for business growth, job creation, and urban revitalization. Once a thriving hub of textile manufacturing, the facility fell into disuse for decades, symbolizing the decline of Jamaica's industrial era. Recognizing its potential, MGS Developers Limited acquired the site and embarked on an ambitious redevelopment project, investing approximately US $50 million or Jamaican $8 billion to transform the property into a modern industrial and technology park. Today, the facility spans 65 acres, offering a blend of business, process outsourcing spaces, manufacturing facilities, logistics hubs, and support services, positioning in Spanish Town as a rising center for commerce and innovation. Currently, 440,000 square feet of developed space has been completed and fully occupied by a diverse mix of tenants. To meet rising demand, developers have launched a 300,000 square foot expansion on the MGS Park 2.0, which will push total available space beyond 740,000 square feet when completed. The facility includes custom-built industrial spaces to accommodate manufacturers and logistic companies, modern BPO operations center to support Jamaica's fastest growing outsourcing industry, renewable energy systems including solar powered infrastructure, battery storage, and a licensed well to ensure sustainable resource use, planned passenger rail connectivity, enabling seamless commuting for workers and improving access between Spanish Town, Old Harbour, Linstead, and Kingston. This forward-thinking design merges modern industrial capability with sustainability and transport innovation, positioning MIA Tech Park as a model for future economic zones across the island. Alright guys, that's the end of the update article. So let us know what you think. Leave your comments in the section below. Now this is what you like to see in Jamaica. Recently, the old Goodyear factory in St. Thomas has been redeveloped into the Morant Bay Urban Center. Game changer for St. Thomas. This facility redeveloped into an industrial and technology park. Game changer for Spanish Town. And this facility is very close to the highway. You can get on both highways from Spanish Town, and Angels actually has an exit or has a exit or entrance, as you could say, to the highway. It's close to the rail, literally across the road. You walk out of the facility and there is a railway right across the road. And it's built in Spanish Town, which has one of the largest populations in Kingston. So you have a workforce readily available. You have transport via the railway line and the highway. So this facility is built in an ideal position, and they have so much land. Look at all the land around it, and you can see the potential for future growth. Alright, guys, enjoy the tour. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. Have a good day.